Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make flan caramel without an oven. First, let's create that beautiful caramel base. You will need about 1 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Gently melt the sugar in a saucepan over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until it transforms into a rich, amber liquid. Be very careful, as hot caramel is extremely hot. Quickly pour this molten gold into your individual flan molds, ensuring an even coating on the bottom. Now let's prepare the creamy flan custard. In a mixing bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. For that classic flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a tiny pinch of salt. Whisk everything until it is perfectly smooth and fully incorporated. For an extra silky texture, you can strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve before pouring it into your caramel-lined molds. With your caramel set and custard ready, it is time to steam your flan to perfection without an oven. Carefully pour the creamy flan mixture into each caramel-coated mold. Arrange the molds inside a large pot or Dutch oven. Add about 1 inch of hot water to the pot, creating a gentle water bath. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and steam over low heat for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until the flan is just set. The final steps are all about patience and presentation. Once your flan is steamed, let it cool completely on the counter. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator to chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling time is crucial for the flan to firm up and for the flavors to meld beautifully. When ready to serve, gently run a thin knife around the edge of each mold, then invert it onto a serving plate. Enjoy your delicious, no-bake flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.